Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. I'm going to have to apologize right away, guys. I have caught a spring cold here, which is kicking my tail, so we'll see how long my voice lasts. Beautiful car, guys. It's a 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air. It's got 400 miles on a complete frame-off restoration. If you've watched these videos before, this is just one of those cars that just gets in my eyes. I fell in love with it as soon as I seen it. This is a two-tone Onyx black and Sierra gold metallic paint. It's got beautiful interior in it. It's again Ivory with the Sierra gold to match the car. Gorgeous car, guys. All professionally done. Again, 400 miles on the car since it's been completed. It's got a custom air ride suspension in it. It's got a pro-built 33 stroker motor in it with a 700R Ford Trans behind it. A custom 9-inch Ford rear end with a billet center section. Gorgeous car, man. You can see the chrome and stainless is all new. The paint's beautiful on the car. That's just some water spots, guys. Pretty car. Not much you can really pick on it. As always, I'm going to tell you, I guarantee you can find something wrong somewhere. But gorgeous car. It's got all tinted glass in it. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. I gotta apologize. We've been battling the weather, and we're just busy as can be. We've got about 25 cars that we need to get advertised. So make sure you're keeping track of that website. Pick up the phone and call Leroy. A lot of times I'll post a picture that says coming soon or just arrived. And if you need more photos of something, the guys can get you that stuff. See, that car's laser straight down the sides. Car's out of Tennessee. It's got a beautiful set of 18 and 20-inch Boyd Coddington wheels on it. Beautiful car. Yeah, this is one of those cars just got a great look. I'm sorry, I said Boyd Coddington. These are Billet Specialties. Matter of fact, I think they're called daggers. I apologize, misspoke there. It's got front disc brakes with slotted and drilled rotors. It's got tubular upper and lower control arms, power rack and pinion steering. It's got a custom air ride front suspension that's all adjustable. Again, this is a professional built 33 cubic inch stroker motor. Love the valve covers on this car. They're carbon fiber. Valve covers and air cleaner are done in carbon fiber, which is super cool. It's got headers on it. It's got a set of aluminum heads, all MSD ignition. Again, power rack and pinion steering. It's got power front disc brakes. It's got vintage AC. You can see all the billet pulleys on it. Aluminum radiator with an electric fan. You can see they even got the billet hood hinges on it. Really nicely done car. $700R4 overdrive transmission in it, automatic transmission. You can see they've replaced all the stainless around the windows or had it refurbished. Very nice stuff. New door handles. See your little stone peck there. Again, a little nick in the interior. try to explain this the best I can to you folks. These are old cars. They're not brand new. But this car is slick. I love the interior. It's got the correct carpet in the car. Beautiful interior in it. They put a set of aftermarket seatbelts, so it's actually got the shoulder harnesses in there. Dash is all done. It's got custom console in it with a billet Hurst shifter. It's billet and carbon fiber, which is cool. Got a chrome tilt column in it with custom steering wheel. It's got a custom dash pod in it with all the gauges, aftermarket radio. That console is pretty cool too. There's your air ride buttons right there. Those switches are just there's nothing to them. They're just dummies. It's got X-Pipe dual exhaust on it. It's got, again, a aftermarket 9-inch forward rear end with Moroso axles and a billet center section. It's a 456 gear, which, yes, is a lot of gear, but that's why the overdrive transmission is, so you can definitely cruise it. Trunk area is all finished, as nice as the interior is. Pretty car, man. See, new fuel tank. The floor's all done, shiny black. See how nice that dash is. Really pretty car. These seats are gorgeous, man. Have Jay fired up. Those billet hitches are super cool. Just charged, brand new. That is a gorgeous car, man. Love this color combination. See it? There you go. Hopefully you can see that 406 on the odometer. Tach works. Looks like all your gauges are working. Fuel gauge definitely up there working. That car is wicked awesome, man. There's your AC controls. So at this point, guys, we can't tell you if the radio works. It's all aftermarket. I'm assuming it will, but you know, I'm not real sure. We're not even sure how to turn it on. No. Again, there's how your gauge was in there for your air ride. There's how you adjust the air ride. Doors closed nice and easy. Wipers do not work. Of course, in 56 are vacuum operated, so we don't even mess with those. If you want them to work, I would suggest change them to electric. You see the air ride system, it works quickly. Gorgeous car. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Boy, is that beautiful, man. I love this car, guys. a little sweetheart right there. Have a great day, guys.